There was a newly joined woodcutter, and the king was really impressed by his dedication towards his work. Out of encouragement, he started giving his best in work and cut 18 trees in the first month, and the king was happy. The next month, he put in the same effort but could cut only 15 trees. And the third month, he still tried his best but could cut only 12 trees. The king visited him in the third month and talked about his decrease in productivity. He explained that he might have lost his strength or got too old to do the work. The king asked him, "When was the last time you sharpened your axe?" To the surprise, he has not even done it once in the last 3 months. That was the only reason why he could not cut more trees. In our professional and personal life, we all get so engrossed in our routine activities that we keep doing things without sharpening our axe. That is, without doing any self-development. And not surprisingly, most of us fall behind our work time and quality. Now, whose responsibility is to sharpen your axe? Some of you might think that it's company responsibility to train their employees to get higher productivity. However, my take that it is your responsibility to sharpen your axe. However, most of the time we all believe that we don't have time or interest to develop ourselves. But when the next promotion or increment or job opportunities goes to your colleague who has achieved some certification or degree or some courses which has increased his productivity, then you feel neglected and start blaming the corporate structure. Once you accept the fact that your growth is your responsibility, then the whole world around you will change. You will start identifying the opportunities like some courses, some weekend classes, some certifications, some degree, some good YouTube videos, because as you increase your value in your professional life, your income increases proportionately. I can prove that equation that value and income are directly proportionate. You cannot increase your income directly without increasing your value in the organization. Some might be lucky for short run, but in the long run, it's always the person who provide more value to the company is paid the highest. You can look at your organization and you will realize that people who are paid X times your salary are perceived as the X time more valuable than you. So to increase your income, increase your value through self-development. So start sharpening your axe and you will see so many trees to be cut. And in our terms, the trees would be promotion, increment, job opportunity, all will be lined up to be taken by you.